my everyday carry. And what we have here are all of the items that I carry with me on a daily basis and generally use on a daily basis. This is my field notes journal, and I use that with my Olight bolt action pen. I'll do another video on journaling at some other point. This is my workbook. This is the book which I use for work stuff. So if I'm writing a script or if there's anything kind of important sort of life things, I make lists in this book. And then finally I have my big journal which I use to write in typically when I'm in the caravan, and this I will actually be more deliberate about and sit down and journal in this book. It's my bushcraft knife. It's a BPS bushcraft knife made in Ukraine. A nail clipper, a lighter. I use a Zippo with a butane insert. I'm not a smoker, I only use this for making fires if I'm not using my striker. Mechanics gloves, they're definitely on their way out. They've seen better days, but they still do the job. In terms of the everyday car carry, I've already made a organizing solution, which is this. This is a leather pouch which I've shaped, cut, sewn, hand stitched to accommodate my bushcraft knife. That goes in there, my Zippo goes in there, and then finally my nail clipper goes in that little pouch there. My Leatherman lives there, but my Leatherman is actually currently in for, I believe that one's in for its first repair. And then down here I've got a little clip, little return clip that holds my gloves. And there you have it. That's the sort of everyday car kit that lives over here on my fridge. Then we come to my true everyday carry, which is the items that I carry on my person on a day-to-day basis, and that is my phone and my watch. This is a Casio G-Shock. Cell phone goes in my pocket. Then I'm left with a couple of other items. So field notes, journal, and my pen. Those two go together fairly well. I carry this wallet, so this is a bifold RM Williams wallet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my frequently used cards out of this wallet. We're going to make a little booklet pouch for those items. I've got AirPods, my Swiss Army knife, a Nebo Redline torch. We're going to make a little carrier for that as well.